friends. So hanging a mainstays 32-inch shelf, and it came with this nice little template here. So what you want to do is get one side taped down, get out your level, and adjust it while you're moving this one up and down to get that one right. And then line up your level with this, make sure it's just about perfect, like that. And then we're going to put our drill holes right here. So I usually just take a screwdriver and kind of just punch it in there. You can drill it if you want to. Seems to work pretty good. Okay. And now that that is done, then remove our template. It came with these nice wall anchors. These are very sturdy. Push it in there to the threads and screw it in. There we go. There's one. Get the other one here, same way. Push that into the threads and screw it in. These are my favorite kind of wall anchors for sheetrock. Very sturdy. All right, now it came with these screws too. So I'm glad to see they came with these because I had my mine ready to go. Because some of them come with those that you just push in, they kind of expand a little bit. Those are pretty much garbage for holding any kind of weight at all. Okay, we get that one in. Move over here. Get this one in here. Alright, I'm not sure how far exactly because our back part is that. So if I screw it in too far, that's not going to go on there. So I'm going to just test it out here. See where we're at. Okay, so I can go in quite a bit more here. Couple more turns. Don't want a gap there. If I can help it, I want it in as far as possible. I think we're in. That's really. Let's see. I think I might be going a little further, but it's pretty darn good right there. And we can check out the level that is. Almost perfect. So here's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty nice. These can hold up to 10 pounds, it says. So I'm going to hang another one kind of right above that one, about a foot up or whatever, and off a little bit. Put some pictures on there and maybe some accessories or whatever. So dress up the room a little bit. So that's how you hang that. Thanks for watching.